If your student is working on word problems and specifically identifying whether or not it's addition or subtraction, the way that I like to do this is with a simple chart, either beginning, middle, end, or start, change, finish. Essentially, it's going to be what you had, what happened to what you had, and what resulted from that. Okay, so I'm going to read an example of a word problem where we have to decide if it's going to be addition or subtraction. Okay, it says, Teddy had 24 eggs. 8 of them are broken. How many eggs are left? So we know at the start, Teddy had 24 eggs. We're going to just write that 24. Okay, in the middle, it told us 8 of them got broken. Now, your student needs to be able to decide, does broken mean we're getting more eggs, or does broken mean we lose some of our eggs? Okay, your student should be able to decide that when your eggs break, now you don't have them any longer, and we are losing those eggs. If we are losing those eggs, that means we are taking them away. And again, I teach my students that we are going to either add them together or we are going to take them away. So they are going to take away 8 of those eggs. And then for the finish, we don't yet know. Okay, what they'll do here is you can look back at some of my other videos that talk about addition and subtraction. The way that I would solve this one is that we would do counting backwards if they are ready for that, or we could do a pictorial model, or we could use the base 10 blocks and place value chart. So if I were to count backwards, I would hold my 8 fingers up. I would have 24 in my brain, and I would count backwards because I know how to count on or back from any number. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. My answer would be 16. So really the solution that this has is for the problem of when your student isn't recognizing whether to do addition or subtraction. It helps to really focus on this portion right here, this change, okay? And so there are some key words that students could be looking for addition and subtraction, but what we really want to be focusing on is, am I going to be growing my number, or is my number going to be getting smaller? Okay, and that is that change that we are going to be looking for.